about the woman, girl. Listen, the youth, girl, some balls. And the youth, girl, some cocky. And the woman, girl, come fatty. Repeat again, what's again? Listen, the youth, girl, some balls. And the youth, girl, some cocky. Listen, the youth, girl, some balls. And the youth, girl, some cocky.
Hey, man, SR Boss, I represent for Jamaican Chat, baddest channel. I'm here alone in all the dark room.
Wagwan, my people. Bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know we're there with a hot one, my people. Please like, share, subscribe on the video here. And you don't know, my people, that one is hot. Very hot. We have to give Father God thanks for life. You understand? Alright, and I don't see what Wagwan. There was speculation surrounding the performance that Valiant is supposed to do at UWI. Well, people, it has been done. You can see it. This is going on the screen. But before you know, say Valiant did I say, yo, I'm not know if I'm going to guard the show and one bugger thing. We're going to just jump into that real quick and then we're going to come back for the performances.
Oh, Sarah.
I'm Sarah.
You know we love you, you know we love you, though. Yeah, we love you, man.
You and you take on my place.
Yeah,
But differently, fun and joke aside, people are going to comment where they want to comment. You know? I don't really have much to say about that. You don't know. I just a performer and me at work. Wow.
That's how I met you nice.
Oh,
who wants to see you nice?
That if I go your way.
I go your way, man. I want it.
That if I go your way.
Yeah, man. Your book, man, and a look.
You know.
You see me?
I'm not sure me I go your way still, but you know, maybe send them an apology or something, you know. Yeah, man.
Alright, at that Valiant did I say, you know, where UWI is concerned, my people. It never did. It kind of maybe get a little down vibe because of the whole letter we did write to Glean and one bugger thing I want him perform up there. But as you can see, he did go up there, my people, and him shell down the show. So I'm gonna just get into the highlights phone real quick and I'm gonna know. Oh, before we do that though, my people, Brysco actually went live yesterday. You understand? And Brysco go live a show millions of dollars in one hand. Okay, well, it's not millions of US people, but if you convert all of them US that were the man having him on to the currency over there, Jamaica, millions of dollars, my people. You understand? No cap talk. I'm going to check out that and then we're going to come back for the performances. Big up on yourself, my people. Jamaican Chat. I'm out.
Alright.
Let's pull me over and I'm tell them say I'm music, man.
Pressing weed, I'm bringing a state.
Rich like that, dog. Yeah, big dog. Yeah, look at boy. Caucasian, don't let me live large. Y'all come get it, come in a Vicky chance. Vanilla gift card, that's a little fraud. Big money can't hold in a little vault. Caucasian, don't let me live large.
Yo, them know some money off ya. And the girl ever love to. Caucasian life, big check just looks full. We love the money like fighting up the junk food. Anyone pull up no gun move. Hey, yo.
And every girl in my place, I'm spending these most like me living on the space. Check it out, yeah, girl a set date for me. Have one girl a fuck, one a wait for me.
Did you know he goes to St. Mary's for a lady to help him slime? He's going to be scamming the students at UWI soon. He should not be on this campus.
My brother is a little bit of a little bit. So, most of our things, but you know, I'm going to see you. And if that there, become very easy. Chicken, burger, chicken, so we ain't down, so if you know. Never live like a star. No beef, no pasta.
What are you saying? What?
Yeah.
Oh, you must have the keys on it. Weird. You know, start on me and rascal. You just beat down, girl, you call me. I'm a big woman, girl, you. You say me look like girl, some balls. And you be girl, like some cocky. And you know me now, left out the fatty. Repeat again, what's the dance? You say me look like girl, some balls. And you be girl, like some cocky. You say me look like girl, some balls. And you be girl, like some cocky. You say me. Go to brown button. Get your back now. That boy don't got no bodies. Give me the side, give me no body. I must be a broke girl, love me. I'm a big woman, girl, do a body. And you know me now, I go for party. Girl, in the back, the throats that is happy. Me have to change, me have to. Doing girl them, clean your fork. Can't settle down from the scale of love. I got cold girl will change your love. I got see you girl and she done some fuck. I come on her face and she lick it down. Come get back the party vibes again and then read up. Jump on. Win! Put it on my feet. Cause it's all I got to do is drive. I'm here sick from the heart with the heartache. My weight on the pass. Round the eye and the flame become a target. Round the day on the road. You know I want to wear drivers? Listen! Say I'll protect me when I drive out. I'm not afraid enough. I'm 357 with them. And this is a fire line road. Bobby. Easy. Second dish, them on the side of the plug once I hold the ground. I don't take our time, you will have one now. Second year the list, I will talk to my nation, I will reach up on the list. Run and tell you my fate, let me know the gift. Yo, you see every time I perform. So dance we dance. I'm not present at the same time.